Are you looking for a solid PC build for everyday use, work, and even some light gaming without breaking your budget? Then make sure to stick around until the end, because today we're checking out a value-focused setup built from reliable components that can serve you well in the long run. The GT710 isn't a gaming graphics card in the traditional sense, but for office use, video playback, or multi-monitor setups, it's a really solid energy-efficient option. Thanks to its passive cooling, it runs completely silent, perfect for quiet workspaces or media center PCs. Compared to integrated graphics, it offers more stable multi-display performance. Of course, if you want to play modern games, you'll need a more powerful GPU, but for basic tasks, it's more than enough. Make sure to check the links in the description if you want to learn more. This is a strong mid-range CPU that's great for gaming, multitasking, and everyday work. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it's ready to handle whatever you throw at it: video editing, streaming, or heavier software. Just a heads up, as an F model, it doesn't include integrated graphics, so you'll definitely need a dedicated graphics card like our GT710. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future builds, and a like goes a long way to support the channel. This board gives you the perfect foundation for the latest Ryzen processors. It's compact, reliable, and includes all the ports you'll need to get started. No extra fluff, just solid, practical design for budget-conscious builds. RAM is your PC's short-term memory, and here we're going with 8GB of DDR5, which is noticeably faster than older DDR4 sticks. It's a great starting point for everyday use and light gaming. And of course, you can always upgrade later if needed. This SSD delivers fast load times, silent operation, and reliable performance. Thanks to PCIe Gen 4, you get significantly faster speeds than standard SATA SSDs, ideal for your OS and your most important apps. This cooler offers excellent cooling power at a very reasonable price. It's quiet, efficient, and fits into most cases. Perfect for keeping your Ryzen CPU cool under load. The power supply is the heart of your PC's electrical system, and this one gives you stable output with good efficiency. 550 watts is more than enough for this setup, and the bronze rating ensures reliable energy use for everyday workloads. This case features a clean, modern look with plenty of space for your components. It offers good airflow and is great for compact builds without the hassle during installation. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable PC build that works great for home office, work, and some light gaming, this setup is a great place to start. As always, you'll find links to the best deals down in the video description. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and hit that subscribe button for more builds and tech tips. Let us know in the comments what components you'd like to see next. See you next time.